A six-figure Bitcoin is looking more and more realistic now that former President Donald Trump is having some promising remarks that he is going to be in the favor of a crypto United States of America. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Bitcoin with price predictions. Are we going to see Bitcoin really hit six figures? And is Donald Trump really going to deliver on the promises and bring us to the crypto promised lands? Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, do make sure you smash that subscribe button to stay tuned to the latest and greatest crypto news. And like always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let's jump right into the mix of things. Taking a look at the overall crypto market, we're currently sitting in terms of fear and greed index at a 65. Not too bad. Slowly creeping back into the greed area and extreme greed. Bitcoin currently up 2.5% on the week, and we're seeing almost up 0.1% on the 24 hour and a little bit down on the hour. But exciting things are ahead for Bitcoin and the overall crypto market. ETH, especially with the ETFs getting approved, sitting closer and closer to 4K. Even BNB up in the 600 range, and Solana slowly creeping up at $165. But let's jump right into Bitcoin. Take a look at what's going on. As you can see, we had some bullish pumping going on earlier today. Bitcoin almost touching 70,000, which again, as I've been mentioning these Bitcoin update videos, that 70,000 seems to be a strong resistance point for Bitcoin. And every time we get to that point, people are ending up taking profits. And this was very close to around the time where all the Donald Trump announcements were going on. And then it looks like people took some profits. It took a bit of a correction and it pumped again, and now it's dipping again. We can only anticipate this is going to pump, easily bringing Bitcoin to break past the $70,000 range. The community is really bullish. People are drawing out charts, expecting some high support levels. Like if we could break past the upper zone over here into 70,000 range, it could be absolutely insane for the price of Bitcoin. Look at the technical reports. We can see summaries in strong buy, as moving averages are in strong buy, and oscillators are also indicating a buy, making Bitcoin look more and more bullish as the days continue. Again, breaking really close to $70,000 range, and breaking past it will be very optimal for Bitcoin. Bitcoin obviously covering a lot of news. We see Donald Trump, once a crypto skeptic, declares support for crypto in Truth Social post. Bitcoin white paper returns to bitcoin.org. The whole point is there's a ton of news coming to Bitcoin, which is great to see as a cryptocurrency investor. Again, with Donald Trump on board with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole, this could be great for the overall economy and the market. Plus, adopting tax benefits and even collecting taxes on crypto gains will be great for the country as well. But more importantly, it will be great for our crypto portfolios, right? We can look at Twitter, and there's actually a bunch of things. Let's just start from the absolute bottom. I think we're going to start from right around here. Okay, Justin, Donald Trump says, I will ensure that the future of crypto and Bitcoin will be made in the USA. I support the right to self-custody to the nation 50 million crypto holders. And we can see this is a video of Donald Trump talking about this.
I will ensure that the future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in the USA, not driven overseas. I will support the right to self-custody to the nation's 50 million crypto holders. I say this with your vote. I will keep Elizabeth Warren and her goons away from your Bitcoin. And I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency.
Ooh. Again, getting the crowd rallied up, right? Now, here's the thing. Obviously, Donald Trump is a politician, and he's trying to collect votes, right? So, is there 100% merit behind this, that yes, what he's saying he's going to promise and deliver? Absolutely not, right? That's not, unfortunately, how the cookie necessarily crumbles. However, there's still a lot he could do for the adoption of crypto and Bitcoin, and again, just keeping the gatekeepers out of the mix of things. We can see as well, Robert Kennedy Jr. is promising no tax on Bitcoin, backing the US dollar with Bitcoin, and putting a US budget on blockchain. Again, that could be absolutely insane as well. A clip I did share on my Twitter if you want to watch it. For this example, we're just gonna pass by it. This is the same video, reclipped it, but again, some important things to notice in this, right? Trump says Bitcoin and crypto, okay? Yes, both will coexist in America. There is no need to be upset, and this is another minor victory. Embrace it or be left behind, as obviously it's gonna be very bullish for crypto, right? More people just breaking down the video, right? Donald Trump says he will support crypto businesses, support the right to self-custody, keep Elizabeth Warren away from from Bitcoin and ban the central bank digital currency, again keeping the bank out of the mix as well, which again is just very promising for crypto. This is a big day for Bitcoin and just a big day for the overall crypto market as well. We see again just more great news, right? Fun fact, the last 2 times Bitcoin weekly candles closed, orange candles price surged 42 to 51%. So 42% took 11 more week candles and 50% took 5 more weekly candles. The weekly candles does not close for 2 more days. So again, orange candles could be something absolutely insane for Bitcoin, causing it to go absolutely to the moon. You see even the Bitcoin bull market progression bar, based on their calculations, we're still sitting at 37% and so much more to continue to go. Again, very bullish overall on the crypto market right now. Bitcoin and all cryptocurrency and meme coins alike. If you want to stay till the latest and greatest crypto and meme coin related news, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to stay till the latest and greatest news. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.